Hello there, my name is Anthony Barocas with AIBA Communications, and today I want to take a quick look at log recording on the GH4 and the LS300. Log recording is designed to give cameras the ability to capture a greater dynamic range than Rec709, which is really a delivery format. And today's cameras can do a lot better than Rec709. So using a log profile in the camera captures a couple more stops of light, gives you more capability in post. With today's test, I'm going to use a GH4 and the LS300, and I'm going to record both Rec709 and log in a very high contrast scene, also with skin tones, to let you judge how you feel each of these color profiles in each of these cameras compares. Now we have three different video samples here. The first video sample is a GH4 with a Lumix lens recorded in Rec709, CineD, and then log, and then graded. Then we have the JVC LS300. I didn't much care for the Cine profile, so it's Rec709 and then the log profile. And then again, the third test is going to be a GH4 this time with a Super 35 lens and a Metabone Speedbooster. So there's a little different color profile with it than compared to the Lumix lens. Again, this is going to be Rec709, CineD, and then log profile. One of the key features of this is we have two different tests. This is a 4K test, and we also have an HD test, which is available separately, but which will have this same video header on the front of it. This way, with the HD test, I'm going to pop in a lot closer so you can see the face and the breath from blown out white to dark folded fabric, which is actually over here, and the white's over there. But I digress. So we'll take a quick look at that so that you can make your own judgments on whether log gives you more than Rec709 in these 8-bit internal recordings. So that's been this quick test. I hope it's proven to be useful for you. Now, one thing that I didn't really mention, we have a color picker in there, but the tool that we used to actually assess exposure in this, with the blown out whites and the dark background and a person in the front, the camera cannot tell you what the proper exposure is. But using a light meter, where the subject is going to be, tells you what this exposure is, and you set your camera accordingly. Now, a couple caveats. The base ISO of log in the GH4 is ISO 400. When we switched to the JVC to log, it went to 800. Now, I can actually change it, but in order for it to match the 400, I went down one stop, which is why it says -1 stop, and then to match the LS300, we went up one stop. So there's a couple different log tests. I hope that clarifies what we were doing there, and I hope this test has proven useful to you. My name is Anthony Barocas with AIBA Communications. Thanks for watching.